Hi, my name is Arturo, a product specialist here at Jarvis. Today I'm going to show you 3 of our Z10 Luminaire level lighting control devices and how to install them in 3 different Z10 compatible fixtures that we offer. All of these Z10 devices are easily interchangeable on any fixture featuring a pre-installed Z10 receptacle. This is our standard Z10 PIR sensor. It is capable of occupancy sensing and photocell on and off functionality. The maximum Bluetooth communication range for this device is about 200 feet. However, this can vary some depending on factors such as walls, dense foliage, and other environmental conditions. In addition, the recommended mounting height is a maximum of 40 feet. The sensor can be used in any indoor or outdoor fixture with a Z10 receptacle. This is our standard wireless control module, or WCM. It receives command signals from nearby devices such as our Z10 sensor, a wall switch, or scheduling via a gateway, and communicates them to the fixture it's connected to. This device is useful if you want several fixtures to be grouped together and controlled by a single sensor. This is our standard long-range WCM. It works the same way as the previous WCM, but this antenna allows it to receive signals over distances of up to 1,200 feet. This is particularly useful in large spaces such as parking lots or larger warehouses. All 3 devices are installed in the exact same way. They have 4 connection points that fit into the Z10 receptacle on the fixture. Once inserted, you simply twist and lock the device into place. This is our J-Cell G2 area light, an outdoor fixture that can be used in parking lots, car dealerships, building facades, and more. To install any of our Z10 devices, first locate the Z10 receptacle, which is right here. Remove the cap by twisting it off and pulling it off. Then line this crescent-shaped tab in the middle of the device with this hole right here. And then push the Z10 sensor into place. And then twist it to the right to lock it in. Here we have our LHB-DCH series, a die-cast aluminum linear high bay that's perfect for industrial and commercial applications. The Z10 receptacle is right here, so what we're going to do is simply remove the cap. We're going to take our Z10 device, line it up, and then push it into place and lock it to the right. Finally, this is our PGR-V parking garage light. To install the Z10 device, remove the cover cap from the receptacle here. Take your Z10 device, line it up, push it into place, and then twist to the right to lock it. Now you know how quick and easy it can be to upgrade any lighting project with a Jarvis Link Z10 device. By combining Jarvis Link devices and Jarvis lighting fixtures, you can easily achieve advanced Luminaire level lighting controls with simple implementation. To learn more about Jarvis Link, our compatible devices, and other Luminaire level lighting control systems compatible with our Z10 receptacle, check out our other videos on our channel or visit jarvislighting.com. Thanks for watching.